Here we are, back for session 3. I got Ava with me. Session 1. Session 1, we worked on just getting that front wheel up and trying to get a feel for balance point, or just for having the front end in the air, because that's not natural. And then the second session, I was trying to work on, what was I working on? Foot brake. Trying to get the foot brake. That finally started to click at the end there. So I've got to get back on it. Hopefully all that will come back easy. And then in this third one, I'm going to try and work on just maintaining some kind of a wheelie. Even if I'm chasing it out, I don't care. I'm just trying to get some distance on it and work on that foot brake. And maybe I'll be able to keep it up and go for a little bit. But we'll see. See how it goes. Thanks for tuning in. Get out there and do it. That's the only way you're going to learn this stuff.
Maybe you should put in gas.
It's like bogging down.
You need gas.
Oh, I have gas. It's not, feel that? Hear that? It's like it's clogged up again. You hear it? Cuts out.
Is that not fine?
Have to clean that carb out again. I gotta clean this out. That's not working. Yeah. It's not. Choke's off. No, it's supposed to be off once it's warmed up. This won't take long. Okay, well, that wasn't going so well. The damn pilot jet was clogged up again. I'll have a video on how to fix that, of course, but I don't know what the hell the deal is. Bowl's nice and clean, but ooh, shit off throttle, which is not cool. Makes it a lot harder. So, sitting here waiting for Ava, and I don't know if she's coming back out, so screw it. I might only get one camera view, at least until she comes out, if she does. Definitely running better. First gear. Right, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. I bent the pedal out. It's actually where I can get it now easily. I can be all the way out here, be all the way out here, here, here. Pretty much anywhere I can get another, at least get a piece of it. You gonna film me or no? Okay. Brought it down with the foot brake.
Okay guys, we're going on session 3. I gotta go film my dad.
Here she comes. Alright, be quiet, ready? Okay. That was loud. Oh yeah, running a hell of a lot better now.
That's good. Should work now.
Clutched in, good. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Foot braked it down, that's good. Foot braked it down, okay. Foot brake. Clutched it in. Gotta get used to that foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. I know. It's gonna, I gotta try and, this driveway's horrible too. I'm gonna end up in this creek, I bet. Or at least the bike will. Oh, he's using the foot brake there. That's good.
Do you want to go in around the back? Backyard track right now. Whoa, stop it!
I'm just sliding everywhere.
Yeah, which looks fun.
I'm gonna get hurt. We're going back to the drive.
I'm done. I'm meeting me there. Okay guys, we're gonna go back to our front yard and we'll see you then. Boom! Wreck! He's so fast! He's breaking my recommended speed limit. 2 miles per hour. Which to him means 200.
I'm gonna start using my both feet up. A little bit. All right, let's try that. Both feet up. I feel comfortable. It's a foot brake. I can put my foot off if I need to. Okay. Keep going to the right. Foot brake it down, that was good. Hey, you got it up there a little bit. A little bit. Foot brake it down, good. Chasing it, chase that out a little bit. Don't want to run into the wife's car, that would suck. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Both feet up. Foot brake.
I don't think he knows I'm up here.
Oh! Foot brake. Started to at least chase out wheelies at first, right? I think I did that twice. Foot braking it down there. Popped right up. They're keeping both feet on the bike, so that should be a good thing. Using that foot brake. foot braked it down. Alright, freaking hand's killing me again. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Foot brake brought it down. Foot brake, foot brake. Little bit. Ah, goddamn hand. All right, one more lap. I think that might be it. Both feet, foot brake. Brought it down with the foot brake. Wasn't up high enough. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. All right, rolling. Shit. All right, let's just try it. Foot brake. Oh, there we go. That went out for a little bit. Starting to get there. I'm not feeling it in my butt. Like probably because I'm already sitting back so far. Maybe because I got my feet on the pegs, holding myself up with my arms more so. I don't know. All right, I guess that's it. I got a eye doctor appointment and Ava's about done and my hand is starting to kill me. Alright, so we'll call that it. That's session 3. And I don't know, a little bit better. I didn't get as far as I thought I was going to that time, but I was able to keep it up in the air, and I was remembering to use the foot brake at least half the time. So I need to remember foot brake still, obviously, and just keep doing it. Got to keep doing it. Hopefully get out here. This week is supposed to be nice, so hopefully I'll get out here tomorrow, and maybe Saturday, Sunday. I'll be riding the Grom all day Sunday. But thanks for watching. If you got tips, I know you probably do. After I watched myself do this, there was a lot of things I was going through my head that I needed to do that I didn't realize when I was on it. So I guess that's a pro tip for everybody. Video yourself doing it so you can see not only how dumb you look because you're not getting up that high and you think you are, but so you can see things like you need to lean back, not bring yourself forward to the bars and stuff like that. And yeah, so anyhow, I got used to the kind of getting it up there, and then I went on to the foot brake. Working on the foot brake and trying to carry it out, using both my feet on the pegs by the time I stopped today, because that's the way it's going to be when you're riding it anyhow. Both feet are going to be on the pegs, so you got to get used to that when you're bringing it up. So all in all, good session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want, whatever. Say goodbye, Ava. All right. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Oh, see you on the road at the next group ride. Okay, turn it off.